Hey, what's up guys? So today I have a new product. In my description there will be a link and where to buy. So these are screen protectors for your Galaxy S3. So they come in a nice little small box like this. Nice and sealed. Both sides has a little sticker. So we're going to slide it down. In your box, first you will get a QR code so it can show you how to install the tempered glass on your watch. Inside another QR, also thank you and tell you 5 stars on certain things. So you get 3 sets of these right here. Dust for the dust, pretty cool. You get 3 packs of wipes and dry wipes, and you get your 3 tempered glass. 2, and this is the 3rd. Very nice tempered glass. Feel very hard. This will go right on the screen. Perfect size. Excellent. Well, I will do an upcoming video on how to install the tempered glass onto your watch. Well, if you have any question whatsoever, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.